3 days ago, America was completely normal. Now zombies are everywhere. And somehow I'm still alive. I thought I was safe, but I was completely wrong. Uh-oh. They found me.
The entire city has fallen. There are zombies everywhere, and there is nowhere left to hide.
I haven't eaten in 2 days. Finally, something useful. Wait, what was that? They found me, and now I'm trapped! I need to get out of here right now! This chase might be the end of me! If I stop moving, it's over. I have to keep running! I thought escaping the city would save me, but the entire country is infected. And things are about to get much worse. Wait, what's that sound? If anyone can hear this, survivors are gathering outside the city. Survivors? I'm not alone? This might be my only chance to survive. If I can reach the safe zone, I might actually make it. You have got to be kidding me. The safe zone is right there. But so are they. This is my final chance! I can't stop now! I'm almost there! Actually made it. Wait. That's impossible. This isn't over.